Okay, so what's good with it, everybody? I'm gonna give y'all top-down analysis on how I basically mark up my charts and stuff like that. I'm looking at NZDUSD. We're gonna start from the monthly time frame, so let's get to it. I hope you kings and queens are having a wonderful New Year's. Let me see. Today is January the 5th. Today is Wednesday. Happy New Year's to everybody. Let's go ahead and get into this. So I like to start off basically identifying channels, or basically what price is, what is price doing. So basically the whole idea of having a channel or putting your price into a channel is helping you identify the direction of the market so you can trade in the right direction. 90% of traders don't be going in the right direction, which can put you in the line of fire. I don't really like how did I do this. I think this was like this, but I just don't like that line being crooked. So we gonna clone this and we gonna go here, and I'm gonna scoot this down. It's not necessary to have that way back there. So as you ladies and gentlemen can see, we have been trading inside of a thick bullish channel. Price has, well, don't want to talk about what price is doing so far. So basically my next step is to figure out what is going on with the price now. So what I'm basically seeing in this area is that it was some type of resistance, because before that breakout happened, that's all we seen on the pair was resistance. Now we have a breakout, retest, and then it shot up just a little bit. It didn't shoot up much. Anyway, now that we actually do have price looking like it's actually ready to come down, because I don't want to get too much into this either, because this is something that's dealing with my strategy. Okay, and that's 1, 2, that's here. Alrighty, so basically what I am looking at right now is that on the monthly time frame we had this nice resistance trend line that finally got broken. Our retest, market shot up. It shot up to the breakout of this channel and retested, so making this resistance again. And you can see how here the market dropped. It attempted to go higher than 0.4. It did not break it. So guess what that means? We are not bullish. I'll also show y'all something else that a lot of people don't do or know how to do, that can actually help you see different things in the market. So we're gonna clone that, and then I'll check this out. And this is not supposed to be like that. That's supposed to go down some, and that's the same thing with this. That goes up some, and that, there we go. Alrighty, so now a lot of people may be asking themselves like, why did I just do that? And if you look at what's going on in the past, I can literally see that this area right here was acting as resistance. We had a false breakout. Market came right back underneath. What did it do again? Acted as resistance before it had another breakout to the upside. Now we have support. Finally broke back above that. This is to me a fake breakout, because price came right back underneath that resistance retest, and it stayed underneath until now. It's still underneath, So as long as this price don't get broken, I don't believe that we will see this to continue to push higher until this do get broken. So I'm trying to go with the market, not against the market. I'm remind y'all I'm still just on the monthly time frame, and I already damn near have this pair marked up, ready to be traded. Not saying ready to be traded like it's ready right now, but y'all get what I'm saying. Delete that. Okay, so here we go. Alrighty. So now what I'm looking for is on this weekly time frame is same thing, you know, nothing different, nothing new, same thing. I'm just getting closer to my price now as I'm going down, in time frames. So from that high to this high, I can literally go from there to there. This is the weekly time frame, remember, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I could clone this. Now I have another channel that you can see here, a bearish channel at that. So on this weekly time frame, I feel like that this is enough for me right now. You know what I mean? This is enough for me right now. I don't have to do any more. I mean, I already have everything mapped out for me. I can see that I was going bullish. Then I can see how the price end up changing inside of that bullish channel, turning bearish. See what I'm saying? Okay, so now I have that from the monthly. I have that from the weekly. Now let's go check out the daily. See what we can see on the daily. So now the daily that I'm, like I said, I want to stay close to price now that I'm, on the daily time frame, because this is where I would be taking my trade from. I'm just getting a understanding of what's happening on the higher time frame, so I can take a high profitable trade. Okay, so now I'm gonna get point 0.4 out your way. So point 0.4 is basically where it basically retests that channel on the monthly, weekly, daily time frame to give us that retest of that channel that it broke out of, possibly going lower. So what I wanted to show y'all on this daily time frame is basically how this is the highest point here. Price fell down. This is the low. It went back up. This is the lower high, because this is the higher point. Price then proceeded to fall, making a new low again. Then price came back up, making another lower high. And then price just took out this demand area. It just took out this demand area. When I look at this demand area, this area of demand basically goes for this whole entire area right here. So you can see how that was demand, 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 demand. Price was not willingly to break underneath it for any circumstances, and now it broke underneath it nice and strong, and this can possibly be that retest for a continuation to go to the downside. So that's what I would be looking for. If I do see anything different, then I would, switch it up, and I will get back with y'all. But as of now, feel like NZDUSD will drop again. It will drop again. Okay, so I hope this analysis helped y'all. I could also go down to my 4 hour time frame real fast and just see if I see anything else that I can basically do to my chart to help me be profitable with this trade. So this is something else that I do see. I can go from this low to this area right here, and and we're gonna clone this. Once you clone that, you have a few taps on it, and I'll show you, ladies and gentlemen. I will show y'all on the lower time frame, or on the 1 hour time frame real fast, the reason why I did this. So you can see that this is support right here. That's resistance, 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 resistance. That's more than enough support and resistance for a trend line. I also have 1, 2 taps right there. Price finally broke out, came back to possibly retest, giving us a nice entry for a sell possibility. Okay, so this is what I was basically looking at. My stop loss should be above my daily high since we are selling from. So my stop loss should be literally here, and my targets can, I gotta look left for those. Okay, so first thing first, I could target this low here. I'm looking left. I could target this area right here. A lot of demand here, a lot of rejection to back to the upside here. That could be another TP area. That could be another TP area. A lot of rejection areas. So mainly those three. So about a good what? First TP 100, second TP 200, third TP 3, almost 300, fourth TP is 400. So feel like that's a beautiful setup. If anybody have any questions or concerns about this trade or this setup, please hit me up. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I will have more of these videos to put out for y'all going into 2022. And I will most definitely keep y'all updated with this trade. I'm going to clear some of this chart up real quick before I head out. A lot of this is, what is this for? Teaching purposes. All right. Cool. So, yep, that's basically it, everybody. Appreciate y'all for watching this. Like I said, I will be keeping y'all updated. Most definitely will keep y'all updated. I just don't feel like this can be a bad opportunity because I'm only risking literally like with 50 pips. I may even risk 50 to 60 pips to make, 400 pips, 300, 200, and 100 pips. So that's a lot of money. And if you're not in this trade, and if once this goes right, then you're gonna miss out on a good little chunk of change. But it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna always be more opportunities. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. If y'all like this content, share with friends, family members, your nephews, your sons, your auntie, your uncles. I really appreciate y'all. Peace.